Hey, welcome to the Daily Dose. Let's dig into it. So how can you set up your business development process to turn viewers and people that engage in your content into actual buyers, right? That's the sales process, really. The acquisition flowing into the sales process. So, here's where a lot of people mess it up. It's conversation after conversation after conversation, and that engagement at some point has to take the next step from a suspect to a prospect. And then that brings them into the top of the funnel. And now you're taking them through that journey to make them a prospect, into a lead, into a client. Okay. So it's all about that customer journey, but up front, taking those, say, views or engagements at some point where a lot of businesses are screwing up is they're not asking them to take the next step. Ask to take the next step, move them into the funnel. I hope you found this video useful. Follow me right here on YouTube for more great content daily. Download my international best-selling book, Be Good, Be Brief, Be Gone, for absolutely free at growfast.club. I say again, download my book at growfast.club for all of my 7-figure growth hacks. Get your copy now while it's still free.
There it is. Magnum. Holy moly.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for!
Dear